The Fair Plumber, an accredited business with an outstanding reputation and customer satisfaction guaranteed. First, we remove the cap that is outside of the building to inspect the line that is connected from the unit to the city main. With this machine, the K1500 made by Rigid, we will perform a maintenance routing. This is the tail used for safety to ensure the cables don't spin and cause any damage. Here is the K1500 routing everything out from the system. In this procedure, we found some wipes that got stuck in the system. After we rod everything out, we will follow through with a camera inspection to make sure everything is clear. Here you can see some objects blocking the system, which is why it's important to have preventative maintenance done. The Fair Plumber prioritizes transparency with every customer. And finally, we use a pressure water machine to ensure the best result.